Yan lang po, nahiya na ako eh.
What up everybody? I've never baked before. Well, naka-bake ko before sa balay. Mga tutorial lang sa YouTube. Pero, nanahin mo lang siya hot cake. Tapos stop na ba? Sa baking.
Isang araw nagmamaliw sa buwan.
What? Okay, so siguro pag mga first few times pa lang kayo guys. Okay? So yung yield po na
Last night on MasterChef,
Here they come.
Do this.
the food truck challenge put Stacy in control
Red team all the way.
as her plan to get rid of Monty was on course.
Or is David gonna freak out?
Such a child.
This day keeps getting better.
But when Monty passed the pressure test with flying colors,
those were incredible.
Thank you so much.
Anna was the one eliminated.
Anna, please put your apron on your station.
Tonight, a mystery box with a mystery guest
Go get him, Graham. It's badass.
as the contestants cook alongside a Michelin star chef.
He's one of the most talented chefs on the planet.
And when the home cooks face a new challenge, disaster.
Baking time sa paper, eksakto ang sa Di ba mukha siyang hilaw? Hindi pwede parang na, we'll clean the tables, guys. Okay, now mag-lunch kami. See you. Paada po. Ano lang, katawaan lang po. Malambot nga siya sa gitna. Second coating, mas makapal guys. Let's go. Ano sir, nag-add ba tayo ng icing or nag-clean? Pwede mag-gender reveal. Ano agad? Reveal agad. So sir, anong plano natin? Pupunuin mo or ano? 2 rounds lang? Yan lang po, nahiya na ako eh. Next, Annabelle Manugo. Po yung friend ko sa'yo, pa-shoutout ko din siya.
Sige,
Pangalan
sige.
niya, ano.
Hi Ashley, punta ka daw dito.
Panguli namin guys. Kumuha ng tukaron. I'll see you in the dorm. Let me present to you the things that I cooked today. Banana, Mo niya mong bring home, no? O, di ba? Pack. Bala na. And pack gunner. Sasagsagin. Nice! Lipat-pat siya, malasahan akong asin. Ano, lamig lang. Anyways, gusto kayo ko. Nice kayong program kay sulit kay siya para sa kuha. Kay for 3.8 na libre merienda, na libre paniudto, tapos daghan pa kay kag mo bring home. Mula sa to, see you in the next video. Bye!